Hey guys, welcome back to here in Ducky's kitchen. Let's make this delicious Atama soup. Thank you for watching. Atama soup is better enjoyed when made with fresh palm kernel oil. And because we live overseas, we don't have the privilege of having fresh palm kernel, so we use substitute. I'll be using palm oil concentrate for this recipe, and I love this particular brand. So next will be to dissolve the palm oil concentrate, and into my clear bowl I have warm water. Please do use warm water to dissolve the palm oil concentrate. Do not use cold water. What the warm water does is to dissolve it completely, and whereby there are sand in the palm oil concentrate, they are all going to settle at the bottom of the bowl. Another thing will be to make sure you get the quantity you deserve depending on the size of the soup you're making. So you can see me getting in more quantity into the bowl because I'm making a large pot of soup. Make sure you stir completely to dissolve and allow it to settle before use. You wouldn't want to have sand into your soup, right? So now my meat is cooked. I use pressure pot to cook my meat because I love to cut my cooking time into half. My palm oil concentrate is ready after sieving it 2 times to avoid sand. Now I poured into the pot of soup. And I'm going to give it a quick stir, allow it to boil for a minute or 2. Next will be to add my washed dry fish. My fish is completely washed and deboned, and I'm adding it right now into the pot. So guys, thank you for watching this video with me. Thank you for being here. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share and leave me your thoughts in the comment section. I'm going to cover the pot and allow to boil. You can see my soup is already looking good. It's bursting with flavor here. I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients. So I have my crayfish here. I love to cook with oporo, so I'm adding my ground oporo into the pot. The next will be pepper. So I'm using Cameroon pepper for this recipe. It's very spicy, very delicious, and very flavorful. The next will be salt to taste. We are going to mix everything together and allow to simmer. All right, you can see my stockfish is already cooked. That's why I'm adding it at this point in this recipe, because it's fully cooked. I don't want it to all scatter. We're now going to cover to cook. Oh yes, our soup is looking more like it. It's already smelling so good and it tastes so nice as well. So we're gonna give it a quick stir. Next will be to add the almighty Atama, the Atama leaves. Atama is very medicinal, it's very good for the stomach, and I tell you guys, it's a very, very rich soup. Okay, so we are going to add everything into the pot and then mix to combine. Guys, tell me what you think about this soup. Is this soup not giving already? I tell you, it's everything plus more. As per customers' order, I did not use beef or goat meat for this recipe. I used cow leg, cow skin, tripes. I used stew hen and turkey, likewise stockfish and dry fish. And the thing I'm adding now is bouillon cube for seasoning, which is the last ingredients for this particular recipe. Guys, have you eaten Atama soup before? Are you going to try this recipe? It is simple, it is delicious, and it is something you remember and request for it next time. So this is going all the way to Atlanta, Georgia, and it was a pleasure making this recipe for my client. Thank you so much for trusting me with this, and I really appreciate that. And guess what, guys? The review is over the roof. Thank you guys for watching, and let me know if you have eaten Atama soup before, if you're going to try this recipe. Thank you guys.